What's going on YouTube? It's your boy Cool Kicks. We are back for another video out in Northern California. I'm in Vacaville. I believe that's a Nike outlet here. One of the biggest ones out here. One of the hottest ones. Like, they've been getting all kinds of stuff. Let's go check them out. Some of y'all been providing me updates about this spot. Man, this spot's been getting some heat. And yeah, man, it's like 11 o'clock, man. Car rental and stuff, everything took forever. So I wanted to get here right at 10, but didn't work out. All right, let's look around. Oh, okay, apparently that's the promotion. Members get 20% off entire purchase, okay. They do got Jordan 11, the women's violets over there. Okay, replacement box, that's pretty crazy, behind the counter. And then moonlights, as well as the jades, okay. And to be able to get 20% off all that, that is freaking fire. To be able to get 20% off the moonlights as well as the jades, that's dope. Now, I didn't realize they actually have refurbished stuff here. Oh my God, I'm excited now. Refurbished stuff and then 20% off the entire wall. Is that 20% and then you get an extra 20% off? I think so. All right, man, they got all kinds of retros. This place is amazing. I was told I needed to check out this heat wall over here, so let's go check it out. Oh, okay, to be able to get all this stuff for 20% off, freaking crazy. The other section right here, okay. Got the fake MCAs right here, okay. These are the one-offs. Dude got the big bangs right here, the LeBron 9s. Okay. The Ruiz right here. That's a size 7. Got some, what are those? These size 10 7s right there. Some of these dunks. These are size, what, 11, I bet? I don't know. And then which one is this one? I don't know. Some 36s right here. The tacos? Oh, okay. I remember this coming out. I forgot to read what it's about. I got some KDs. These look like they're grade school. But to be able to get all this stuff for 20% off, that is insane. Oh my God. And then they got retros in the aisles. We'll definitely check that out. But I want to see if they got any refurbs my size. Let's go. Let's go. So they do got these 170 here. You do get the 20% off, and if you're a member, you get that additional 20% off. So, dang, almost 40%. It's compounded, so it's a little bit less, but almost 40% off of this. That's crazy. They got a size 10 and a 10.5. Blazers going for 85, but with those extra discounts, everything's such a good deal right now. Pegasus, the OG ones, the 83 premiums going for 115. That's a 10.5. Invincible Run Finance going for $130. Oh my goodness. Size 11s. Oh, these are 11.5 Kyrie's right here. The Keep Suit Fresh colorway. Okay. That is going for retail though, but like I said, man, the 20 and 20. Vomeros, these are 10.5. Vomero 16s go for $100. Size 12, Invincible Run. Oh, I'm sorry. Tempo Next Percent, $110. Zion's going for full retail, $120. Of course, got these. Checking the huge sizes. Jordan 1 Low Golf going for $140. Remember, this has like that way nicer leather than the regular Jordan 1s. Air Max Genome size 13 go for $80. More of these going for what, $80. Invincible Run Flyknits going for $130. Okay. The Bo Jackson trainers right here. This is size 14 go for $120 with that extra discount. That's what's up. Blazers $85. And then the extra huge size is size 18s. Got the reverse Bel Airs, $190 for both those. Extra busted up box. Checking out the small size 9 Vapor Max Flyknits going for $130. Then you get those extra discounts. That's crazy. All the bigger sizes probably resales probably got to them. This is pretty dope. I think these are the Pegasus. No, these are the. Oh, these are women's. I was like, what the heck? All right, they got the MD Runners, the OG look, $40 for these. That's a size 10 women's. More Vapor Max and smaller sizes. $210 for this one though. Dude got the center cores going for $90 right here. This size 8.5. Fly traps size 8.5 going for $60. More of these bad boys. Kill Shot leathers going for $70. PG 5 $70. Got tons of heat, man. I feel like I've already showed you guys a bunch of stuff. Size 8. Air Max 90s. All right, we're checking out the aisles. I got all kinds of heat in the aisle section. I might buy one or two things here. Benassi JDI slides right here. These are super hard. Another one of those. And then look at this, $10. Remember, 20% off if you're a member. So I did grab one of these for my boy. My boy needs one. Size 8? $8, dude, $8. Got Hydro 6s. I got this one. And then this one, the MSRP is not $58 on these. This has really good support. 20% off. That'd be what, 24 bucks? Thinking about it. Liftoffs right here. Another one of those. CMFTs. These are the Jordan 11 CMFTs. Nike Air NFH. I'd never seen those. I already showed you guys all the stuff in the back right there. They got multiple retros in the back. Got Zion ones. And $90, 40% off. Oh my goodness, I'm thinking about this. I don't necessarily have that much room. Oh, they don't have my size. They only have up to size 9.5. I already tried 9.5 and these, they did not fit. Dang it. Dang, those Zions, like they do sell out, I guess, huh? I do got another pair right here. Access. Okay. I guess I'll show them to you guys. One last one right here. Then they actually have real Jordans. Is that what we call them? 7s right here. Get 20% off. That's actually crazy. And then the Brotherhoods right here. 20% off. Man, I think size 10 is the biggest size they have. To get these for 20% off full box, that's crazy. Sneaker game is changing. People say it's not. I've been saying it's mad different now. I think everybody can agree to that. Witness 5s, another one of those. Always see plenty of colorways. Dang, almost a whole aisle. Blue one right here. Fly traps. These are the Fly Trap 4s. Entire aisle of these two. Got them. Do got some Air Flight 89s. Space Hippie ones. Some Hirachis. Prestos. Blazers. Courts right here. The Blazer Courts. That's the canvas one. Killshot 2 leathers. Tailwinds right here. Another one of those. Man. Air Max 90s, Motives, Air Max Motives, Flex Run 2s, another one of those, Air Max 90s, 2090s, another one of those, 270 Reacts, Genomes, man, all this stuff, an extra 20% off, Air Max 2017s, look at the prices on these, that's insane, wow, that's like an olive green colorway. Gray and white one right here, another one, regular price I guess. Oh my god, it just keeps going. The all black, that is a reflective 3M material right there. Monarchs, trio of them. Damn, it just keeps going. Metcon 6s. This place is just crazy, crazy line. I want to say this is kind of like the Citadel of Northern California. They get all the crazy stuff. All right, I'm tripping. I just realized they keep all the refurbished stuff separately than all the other spots, kind of how Nike East LA used to do it. So I didn't even check the spot. Let's check it. Size 11.5. Nike by You. Some Air Force Ones. $81 for these. Oh, that's all right. It's like new. Pegasus 38s going for 78 bucks. Size 11.5. Metcon Turbos going for 75. That's 50% off. Gently worn. Super Reps going for 60. Normally 120. Tempo Next Percent size 11 going for $120. That's never mind. These are normally 2 bills. I forgot. Vaporfly Next Percent's going for $150. This is like new. 90 for the Invincible Run Flyknit, size 10.5. Not seeing any crazy steals. Infinity Pro 2, that's actually a really good deal if you're a runner. $66, like new. There's some Vomeros right here. Yeah, Vomero 16s going for 75. Pegasus 38s going for 60, size 9.5. 8.5 right here going for 90. It's just the same price. Tempo Next Percent. Remember this said 100, but it rang up for 50 when I took it to the counter at East LA. Nothing too crazy. Nothing too crazy here. Being nosy, I just saw one of the employees just left this box right here. This is showing up for $190. Remember, you do get that 20 extra percent out. I don't know what colorway this is though, because I'm not familiar with it. Okay. Checking out the women's clearance refurbish section, I guess. 65 for the Air Max 90s right here. They got velvet in the inside. I've never seen these. What the hell? Okay, have they all been like that? Did I just not notice? These are gently worn. Infinity Run Flyknit 2s going for $80. That's gently worn. Air Max Theas going for $75. Gently worn. Metcon 7s, 72. Cosmetically flawed. You really need to check those. Super Rep 2s going for $60. Okay. That's gently worn, size 10. Invincible Run Flyknit, size 9, gently worn, go for 90. Smaller sections, not much. Super Rep 2s go for 60, that's size 8, gently worn. What is this? I don't even know what the hell those are. Some new Air Max, I guess, go for 60 bucks, size 7.5. Metcon 7s, gently worn, go for 65. That's a size 8. Air Max 97, size 5.5. Nike by you, like new, go for 114. Okay. Jordan OG size 6, going for 70. These are gently worn. Zoom Fly 4 size 6.5, going for 80. All right, we're gonna check out the grade school as well as the women's aisles right here. I do need to buy this. So I need to go wait in line for a few minutes, but let's check out the aisles real quick. Women's aisles with a bunch of Air Maxes, Air Max 2017s. Remember, you do get 20% off everything. Air Max 97s, all black, right? You can't go wrong with all black. Vapor Max 2020s up to size 12. Wow. 2021 Metcon 7s right here. Most of the other aisles, pretty generic stuff. All right, let's go check out the kids section now. Look at the grade school section right here. Jordan 12. The royalties right here, man. Got multiple retros, oh my goodness. Jordan 6s. Holy crap, it's crowded as hell here. Jordan 1s, you got the Brotherhoods. 35s right here, okay. Some point lanes. Take 1 3s. Got the Kawa slides right here, going for 15. Oh, and then just a bunch of generic stuff. The Star Runners, what the heck are those? I don't know. That's about it though. And when I say that's about it, that was crazy. That was crazy. I think that's the only thing I'm gonna buy. I don't think I'm gonna buy any retros for myself. Like, I don't know. I've been saying, hey, I shouldn't be spending money. There are some crazy apparel deals here. Like, look at this. $20, you get an extra 20% off. And then you get that 20% member off. So these Jordans, oh my goodness. These Jordan hoodies are freaking going for almost free, dude. These are gonna come down to like 13 bucks. Oh my God, these are all large, extra large. I might even get one. I don't even really want one, but they're just too cheap. They're too cheap. Oh my God. Friendly reminder, they do have Jordan 5 Jades. They do have the Moonlights right there. And I'm getting all this stuff right here. This is just, man. Oh, they also have those Jordan 11 Violets right there, the lows for the women. Man, crazy. All right, I really wish I could get more footage because there's just all kinds of just dope stuff, but I have an appointment to get to and I'm already running late. So yeah, we need to get through this line right here, pay for this, and then I need to get to my work appointment and hit up a couple more Nike outlets for y'all. Damn, I didn't even get to check those out for you guys. That t-shirt, that Jordan t-shirt right there, 30% off. Then you get another 20% when you get up here, almost 50% off. Wow. And then you got those clean t-shirts, same deal. Wow. And then another thing, I don't know if you guys notice, there's a big old hair right here. All right, but they do have the everyday socks, and then they have the everyday plus socks. So the everyday socks, not dry fit. Everyday plus socks are dry fit. And then they have different levels of stuff too. So I think they have like a everyday plus or something. They have one a little bit higher than this. This stuff is retail though, man. I do need socks, but I'm gonna get it when they're on sale. Because we used to find all the socks always on sale. These are the ones I like, but I need them on sale, yo. My man right here found some infrareds. Oh, that's a size 10 right there, okay. Man, I think we're getting back to pre-pandemic days. Obviously, there are certain things that have resale that didn't have resale before, but for the most part, we're gonna be able to get tons of J's at the outlet show. This is fire. Let's see how much this ended up costing, dude. Jordan hoodie and slides, $22, dude. 22 freaking dollars. Woo! That's a come up. All right, let's go. Let's go. All right, guys, man, that was crazy. That was crazy. A few of you guys, Gerald's been feeding me all kinds of information about this place, and a few other of you guys. And this spot was dope. Man, Vacaville, I think that's the dopest Nike outlet out in Northern California. They must move like crazy volume because, man, they've been getting all kinds of stuff. I noticed that the stores that move way more stuff gets more heat. Like that's kind of what I noticed. So the busier spots, they're the ones who are going to get the most, I don't want to, stocks, I don't know, whatever. But dope, man. They had dope. They had multiple Jordan retros. To be able to get all that stuff, full box, everything for 20% off, that is just dope. Man, hopefully this means that, you know, we're getting back to the pre-pandemic years where, you know, we're able to find Jordans for 20% off. That's fire. That 20% off additional membership, that's going until the end of this upcoming weekend. I think the 7th or something like that. So, man, y'all get to freaking get that 20% off the clearance wall, as well as 20% off for the membership. Man, you really can't ask for more than that. 40% off, just insane. It comes out to a little less than 40% because it's compounded, whatever. But almost 40% off, kind of ridiculous. Some of the stores are gonna give you that extra 20% off. Some are not. Some have taken them off the hash wall. So just gonna depend on which Nike outlet you go to. You should kind of know which outlet that you've been dealing with or which one you've been going to, because there's usually a pattern. So you know, hopefully you guys are able to find that 20 plus 20, because that's ridiculous. That's ridiculous. Was able to get this hoodie for almost free. Came out to what, $12, $13? That's just ridiculous, ridiculous, ridiculous. Also did grab these slides for my boy, $10. Did get another what, 20% off for the membership. You get to use that 20% off membership deal once a day, so one per account. That's why a lot of people open up multiple accounts. I wouldn't tell you guys to be dishonest like that, but sometimes people got to make multiple accounts. But it is what it is. But yeah, this was dope, because this was perfect, because I was able to bring that back to Los Angeles, because I didn't have that much room in my backpack. I just had a backpack. I just had a carry-on, so that was pretty dope. Was able to just throw this hoodie and throw that in my backpack, so that was pretty dope. But yeah, crazy outlet, you guys. Hope you guys are finding heat at your guys' outlets. I've been to quite a few this past week, and hit or miss, you know, but you still gotta try. Man, this is what gets me continuing to go back to the outlets, man. I still can't believe I got this for what, 12, 13 bucks. Pretty freaking dope. Goes with the 90 gear. Pretty awesome. But yeah, thanks so much for watching, guys. Thank you so much for making it to the end. Just can't tell you how thankful I am that you guys do watch my videos, especially till the end. Can't say enough. But yeah, make sure you help a boy out. Press that like button if you're new to the channel. Press that subscribe button. Click on that notification bell. Got plenty coming. I'm editing like crazy right now. Got plenty coming. See you guys next one. Peace. This is my dope rental for the day. A little Chevy Spark. It's like the smallest car I think I've ever driven.